Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel 3D CAD Modeling. We started a series in which we are going to build a twin cylinder engine. In today's video, we will design the crankshaft. So let's start. The lower circle has a 50 radius and the distance from one circle to another circle is 35 millimeter. The upper circle has a 25 diameter and this one has 17.5 radius. The center rod length is 50 millimeter. So let's start building it. First we will select the front plane. After that we select the circle command and draw a circle. Then we will select the line command and draw a line like this, and then turn on the arc command and draw an arc from here to here. Next we select the line command and draw a line from here to here. After that we will select the center line command and draw a center line from the circle to the origin point. Then select these 2 points and center line and apply a symmetry relation command. After that select these 2 lines and make them equal so that our dimension remain proper. Next turn on the smart dimension command and give the dimension to the lower arc. The dimension of this arc is 50 radius, so apply a 50 radius. Next, give the dimension from the circle to the origin point. The dimension is 35 millimeter. After that, give the dimension to the upper circle and this dimension is 35 diameter. Then set the angle between the center line and the side line, which is 18 degrees. With these dimensions, our sketch is now fully defined. Now we will turn on the trim command and select power trim and trim these 2 lines. After that, turn on the boss extrude command, then change the direction and extrude dimension will be 10 millimeter. Click OK and our sketch is successfully extruded. Next, create another circle to make the outer rod. Select the circle command and draw a circle on the origin point. Then give the dimension to this circle, which is 25 diameter. Turn on the extrude command, change the direction and set the dimension to 20 mm outward. Then click OK and then our outer rod will be properly extruded. Next, go to other side, select the upper face and start a new sketch. We will bring our model into sketch view so that we can easily find the correct place to draw the circle. Next, draw a circle and give it a dimension. The dimension of the circle is 25 diameter. After that, bring our sketch back to the original view and extrude it. The extrusion dimension is 50 mm. Then we will click OK. Now our dimensions from the lower side are completed. Now select the fillet command and turn it on. After that select the first option and apply a 5 mm fillet. Then we will select one edge and turn on the first option so that all related edges are automatically selected. After that click OK and our fillet will be successfully applied. Next, we will mirror the model. For that, first create a plane, select this face and this face, so the plane will be created at the correct position. Then click OK. After that turn on the mirror command. Our plane is already selected and now select the model. Select the complete model including the extrude features and fillets and apply the mirror. Then click OK and our model will be completed mirrored. Finally, we will hide the plane and now we will apply the material to the model. Go to material options and apply steel. Within steel, choose Buddhist steel and our material will be applied properly. Now, save the model. I hope you understood this tutorial well. If you have any question, make sure to ask them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.